Hello friends, welcome back. If alpha, beta are zeros of a quadratic polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 1, find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha. Let's first try to using the relation between the zeros of a polynomial and the coefficients of the polynomial. Let's try to find out what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we know that alpha plus beta equal to minus of b by a. It's in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where b equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is 0. And alpha beta equal to c by a. We are talking about here ax square plus bx plus c, where alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a. So we have alpha beta equal to minus 1. Now what is the equation which we are looking at now? The equation we are looking at is of the form of k into x square minus, let us say this is alpha dash and beta dash. We are looking at alpha dash plus beta dash into x plus alpha dash into beta dash. Now we have to find out what's the value of alpha dash and what is the value of alpha dash plus beta dash and what is the value of alpha dash into beta dash. If we are able to find out, then we are done. So what is alpha dash? We know 2 alpha by beta. So it's easy, we'll pick this one. Beta dash is 2 beta by alpha. You can cancel them. You will get alpha dash beta dash equal to 4. Now let's come down to alpha dash plus beta dash. That is equal to 2 alpha by beta plus 2 beta by alpha. That is equal to, if you do LCM, 2 into alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta, which is nothing but equal to 2 into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta, which is equal to 2 into alpha plus beta whole square is 0 minus 2 into alpha beta is minus 1 divided by alpha beta equal to again minus 1. This value is equal to 2 into 2 is 4, 4 by minus 1 is minus 4. If you just substitute those values again back, we will have k into x square minus alpha dash plus beta dash is equal to minus 4 into x plus alpha dash beta dash equal to 4. That will be k into x square plus 4x plus 4. So any equation any polynomial of the form a constant, a numerical constant multiplied by x square plus 4x plus 4 is the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha by beta and 2 beta by alpha, where alpha beta are zeros of a quadratic polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 1. So what we did is, we know the polynomial. Based on that we found alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Then we found what are the zeros of the polynomial which we have to find out. So we found what is alpha dash plus beta dash and alpha dash beta dash. Then we have substituted in the formula. So I'll do one more example in the coming session. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.